The power cord passes through the cord guard as it goes into the tool's handle. The cord guard gives extra support to the cord, preventing it from kinking and rubbing against the handle. The cord guard is made of rubber and will eventually harden and crack. Once it does, the cord is prone to kinking, or the wire insulation can be rubbed through. Replacing the cord guard is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the front half of the handle assembly. Now I have access to the switch. I'll pull the switch away from the housing and remove the cord wires. I want to be careful to not lose the spring on the actuator. Now I can remove the white wire. And the black. Now I'll remove the cord clamp. With the clamp removed, now I can remove the cord from the housing. Now I'll remove the old cord guard. Now I'll install the new cord guard. Now I can reinstall the cord assembly. First I align the cord guard with the housing. Then I'll place the cord into the tabs all through the handle. You may need to install the cord a couple of times to get the length right. I want the end of the stripped back outer insulation to line up in the area of the compression spring for the lockout bar. With the cord back in place, I'll secure it with the cord clamp. Now I'll strip back about 5/16 inch of insulation from each of the new wires. Now I can reinstall the cord wires. The white on top, and the black wire on the bottom. Now I'll place the switch back into the housing. I'll reinstall the actuator. The lever, and the cam. The tab on the back of the cam needs to fit below this plastic piece. Now I'll reinstall the handle housing. Snap it into place, and I'll secure it with the screws. And now reinstall the switch button. And that's all it takes to replace the cord guard on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.